friends, Chloe and Pearly, and I did an egg drop challenge. The goal of an egg drop is to keep your egg from breaking when it drops from a high place. Every egg drop challenge has its own rules. Here's how ours were. First, we watched a Mark Rober video to learn the strategies we would need. Next, we chose our materials from a surprise selection my dad picked out. I don't want to say the choices were silly, but...
We have bath sponge. And by the way, packaging is fair game in all of these. If you choose something, you get the packaging involved also. Here are some stickers.
How's that supposed to help?
It will make your craft look nice. Let's see here. We have this flower of reusable toilet gloves. We have this pack of rubber bands. We have some Hello Kitty multiplication learning cards. All right, here is an answer buzzer. You could, I don't know, maybe it would help. Here we have
Mini
a
cups.
whole bunch of little tiny cups, cakes.
Can I eat one? I think that one's for
If you choose this one, then you could eat it if you want to. Maybe you just wanted the package. I don't know. There's a baby.
I want the baby. I want the baby.
A whole watermelon.
They smash so easily. Oh,
We have 6 ping pong balls. Yellow. Only 5 calories per serving. 1 box of coconut water.
I might actually want that.
That's delicious.
And the baby.
It does have pineapple in it though.
I'm not gonna drink it.
We have a pair of flip-flops on this hook. We have 3 sets of realistic looking yet fake silverware. We have a 24 pack of pencils.
I'll just have your egg in half. Okay.
Well, if you stab your egg with them, you will. We have a pack of crazy straws. Some pipe cleaners,
Okay,
lots of different colors. We have this streamer. We have a pack of cheese doodles.
Definitely need that. I'll take that.
Yes.
What's this, the end of a toilet plunger?
Yes, that's exactly what it is. 8 plastic plates. And finally, we have On the Farm with Elmo. To protect your egg, you need a slow to fall or cushioned landing, or both.
So I got this plumber thingy, I got pipe cleaner, I got a cheese doodle, and then I got flip flop, I got some tiny cup, ping pong ball, and then stickers.
Sponge, fake silverware, a flower, free gloves, Jello, rubber bands, my straw,
Ooh.
my pencils, and my plate.
Lisa, what have you got?
I got a big old balloon. Got this wind thingy.
Okay.
Of course. I got this thingy. I got this coconut water thingy. I got this watermelon splash very easily. I got this baby, hoping that I can fit in its head. And I got this bun, hopefully it makes some cool noises also. And I got some multiplication cards so I can learn.
All right.
Next, we had to make our contraptions. We had 15 minutes to make our first one, then we had 15 minutes to make our second one.
You're eating your crumple zone.
I have a cheese doodle bag, and inside of it there's gonna be cheese doodles, and inside the doodles there's gonna be an egg. And on top of here I'm gonna have a flip flop as a parachute. And then my second design, I don't even know what this is. The toilet plunger is on the bottom of the egg. I'm just gonna like put tape, and then we're gonna have the multiplication cards acting as a parachute.
So I got a sponge. I'm gonna cut a hole as the size of an egg and put the egg in. I'm gonna use the net to cover it and use the gloves to just cover the whole thing. I use rubber bands to make sure it's tight.
It's somewhere inside that glove?
Yeah.
Inside a sponge, inside a glove?
And
Gotcha.
having someone empty one Jello cup for me. And then I'll put the egg inside, tape the top with I don't know, sauce stuff. And then just
The other half
throw
of
it off the balcony.
All right.
I have this contraption where I have the egg which I shove inside of the baby's head, and then a wind thingy on the bottom, and then I have a button on the baby's head to make the hit less hard, and then I have a balloon with a juice attached to it, and inside the juice is an egg, and then I have a cupcake to eat. Not for the craft, just to eat.
Gotcha.
Okay, guys, I'm just taping. I don't even know what
I just taped the whole egg in here.
Nice. Is the egg in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Time's up. Whose contraption was the most excellent?
I'm gonna go last.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Darn it! You're going first. Okay, but that means you get to go down. Did I start? Yeah, I'll start.
Ooh.
Use mobile first stop.
Go.
Watermelon baby! It might be still alive! Every single one of ours broke. We have so many questions. What went wrong? What do we do? How do we decide who won? To help us do better next time, my physics teacher, Dad, is going to do a video where he reacts to our egg drop and points out what we did right and what we did wrong. Check back for that sometime soon. I think we need to redeem ourselves. If enough people like this video, I'll see if I can get my friends to do another egg drop with me.
High five, anybody?